welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another vlog, and today me and my roommate are going to this dope spot. It's called the, hold on. What is it called? Oh, it's called the Dockyard Social Club, and it's basically like, if you're from Atlanta, it kind of reminds me of like a Ponce City market. It has a lot of vendors, a lot of restaurants, so you can just go. You had to get a ticket and you just go and you get to try different restaurants. So I'm really excited to show you guys how that is, because on the website it says it has all of Scotland's best eats and drinks, and it looks really, really good. So I'm excited. Here's my face. Okay, so, but I'm excited to taste that. But before I get dressed and start doing my makeup, I got a package. Oh my god, I love packages. And this was really unexpected because I had been telling it's from my sister, and I've been telling her, girls, please send me some lashes. Like, I need lashes. I usually do like individual lashes, and it just gives you a little va-va-voom in the morning. Like, you just wake up and you're done already. So I haven't been able to find those lashes here. I used the Kiss lashes, and she said no. Thank you, Toya, I love you. But she sent me some more stuff in here, so I'm gonna show you what she sent me. So I got my lashes, I got press-on nails. Y'all, press-on nails, I love press-on nails. Like, during the pandemic, I really started to use press-on nails, and now I'm addicted. So, and y'all, Dollar Tree has the best press-on nails. Like, look at these, they're so cute. I typically love short press-on nails, but you can manipulate them very easily. Like, if you get long ones, you can definitely like file them or cut them short. I just feel like the short ones just look more natural, especially if you're going like the cheap route like Dollar Tree. And I got these. I love a French tip, and like these would need to be cut. Like, that's too much white tip for me. But yes, I have more lashes. I have socks. Y'all, I'm addicted to socks. I love different like graphic socks, I guess that's what you call them. And Dollar Tree has the best. I shouldn't be telling all my channels because I go back to Dollar Tree and all the socks gone, but I'm just kidding. But Dollar Tree really does have the best graphic socks. If you're looking for socks, they have the best. So I have socks. I have this cute mini razor. This is cute. It's a cute mini razor. More nails. Oh, these are my favorite Dollar Tree nails, like all-time favorite. Like, these are it. And I know you like, but they look exactly like the other ones. No, y'all, these are my favorite Dollar Tree nails. Oh my god, I'm so hyped right now. These are my favorite because of the pink hue of the nail. These, I'm so happy. Like, this makes me so happy. Yes, I'm definitely putting these on tonight. I have some more press-on nails, and a file, and that just made my day. Thank you, Toya, I love you. Okay, enough about Toya. So that just really made my day. I'm so hyped. Now I'm about to do my lashes. I probably should record a video on how I do my lashes. I did record it one time, but the footage just wasn't good, so I might do that again maybe when I get back home, because these are the lashes I get, but these aren't the exact ones. But I'm still gonna finesse it and make it look cute, because that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm so grateful. I've really been needing these lashes. Like, y'all, seriously, I've been wanting these lashes for so long, because I haven't been able to find them, and even on like UK Amazon, they don't even have them. So I'm so hyped right now. So I'm about to do my lashes, figure out what I'm gonna wear. It's cold outside, like, so yeah, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I don't know, but I'm gonna take y'all along with me because I'm really super excited to see how the dark, hold on, what is this place called? Oh, I'm really excited to see how this place, I figured out what it's called, the Dockyard Social Club. I'm super excited to see how that is. And I love trying all different, like, trying new foods and having like taste different options at one location. I'm super hyped about, and the prices aren't that expensive. You can get drinks, you can get food, and like we had to buy a ticket, and the ticket was £5. So I'm really excited to see what all of £5, which is about $7 US, can get us. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, and I'm really excited. I'll see y'all later. Okay. We are walking to the place, and it is cold today, y'all. And they sent us an email and everything. The wind is blowing so hard. I'm so hungry. I have not eaten all day. But the place we're going to is about 5 minutes. So I'm excited. They got drinks, they got food. I'm excited to record and see what it is. It kind of reminds me, like I said, the Ponce City market. So I'll show y'all when we get there. I gotta put my hands in my pockets. So these are the welcome tokens we get to get our free drinks at the next booth. Thank you.
Waited to put the second one. Thanks very much. Cheers, girls.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You should take pictures. You look so beautiful.
You said what?
You look so beautiful. You should take more pictures.
Thank you, girl. Not you hyping. Okay, so the tickets got us a drink, an entry drink. Watermelon daiquiri. It tastes like juice. I don't taste any alcohol. A slight taste, but not really. But it's so cute. And then now we just go to different restaurants and drinks, and they bring it up to us. We just have to tell them our table number. These are menus, so we can just go and order. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited because I love tasting different food, tasting different drinks. I'm excited. All right. Okay, so first of many, this is chicken shawarma. And what's this?
This is the kebab.
The kebab. Okay, yeah. I'm excited. The shawarma. Chicken. It's good. You like it? You want it? No, this is good. This is the kebab. It's good. Has a little bit of a kick. Oh yeah. Yum. So me and my roommate pretty much just went to different stalls and ordered food and brought it back to the table. It actually worked out because we was able to try a lot of different stalls and split it basically. Okay, y'all, we're leaving. We had so much fun. I'm full. Them drinks were watered down.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, they were. Those drinks were so watered down. And I had 3 drinks in a shot and I'm still like la la la, like nothing. But it was fun. The vibe was nice. They were playing Ashanti. I'm like, come on, Scotland. So now we're on our way. Oh, it's so cold. Now we're on our way back to the room. And y'all, I'm tired and sleepy now. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later. Heck, I'm back in the room. That was really fun. I'm full. We had so much. We had like, as you see in the video, we tried so many different stalls and the food was really good. My fingers are numb, my feet are numb. It's so crazy too because we got an email today from the university talking about crazy winds. It was gonna start at 3 o'clock today. It's now like 9 o'clock and I feel it, like it's really cold. Still not the coldest I've ever been in my life yet. So every time I go outside, I'm like, oh, this is cold, but I've been colder, you know what I mean? But I need to get a scarf. I do have a scarf, but it's just too thick. Like I need a thinner, I know it sounds crazy, but I do need a thinner scarf. I need gloves for when I try to hold my camera outside and my hands be about to freeze off. So I need a lot. But get into the lashes. Let's see. Get into the lashes. Thank you, Toya, for my lashes. So cute. Those watermelon daiquiris were good, but they taste like juice, but I don't feel anything. And I had 2 and a shot and another drink. But anyway, but I also had food. The food was good. One restaurant we went to had burgers. The burger was a little salty, and then we had like fish tacos, we had chicken shawarma, we had lamb kebabs, we had a chicken wrap that I can't remember where it came from, but everything was really good. What was my favorite dish though would probably be the chicken shawarma. It was really good. So yeah, that's probably what I'll get again. But even though we tried like probably like 4 to 5 places. It was still like 8 other restaurants we still didn't try, and we stayed 5 minutes away, so we're gonna go back again like another weekend. And it was really lit. It was so fun. The music was good. They had heat warmers, so but I am definitely going to go back, maybe in some other weekend. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe wherever that little thing is. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.